So it's drawing elephants part. How is using that? Too bad. Drawing elephants part 4. 4. It could be
I thought it was only part 3.
That's part 4.
I thought we were only gonna make 2.
Wonder Word. Yeah, I got that in South Carolina at Myrtle Beach when I went there with Izzy at BSS. Ah. Oh yeah. See, Myrtle Beach SC. I'm not sure if you can read that. It says right there. Myrtle Beach SC. Doesn't look like my couple. Well, it's not. It's empty. And oh shit! Why just dump that all over my elephant?
Wait, it's not empty.
She just like poured her orange juice out of nowhere on my elephant. Neptune apple juice is elephant like that. Can you not? Well, maybe.
I said maybe.
Well, anywho, when you ever pour a drink in here, the drink like it turns the cup orange. Like, see, there's the real drink right there.
Can I see the picture?
And then like you can rub on it, and it's like the orange goes away, but it's not working right now. It's just rub on the orange, it turns white and stuff. The elephant. So yeah.
Goodness.
Oh.
Demanding. Are you gonna name your city Beluga?
Yeah.
What are you gonna name yours? Why don't you know?
Stop talking to me.
I forced her against her will. Let me come over her house without space. I made her. That's supposed to be the trophy. Yeah.
Mom, what are you watching?
What color do you make the toenails or whatever that's like? Beat or whatever that is.
My mom is watching Thomas and Sierra.
I love that show. I love Mackenzie.
I like that boy.
Hi. The one who gets his like nails painted like clean.
Yeah. The one whose name is like.
And he has like a younger brother, and that's his servant, not his bodyguard. And his name's like Landon or something, and then his mom is afraid that he's gonna be gay.
His mom is afraid of that. Yeah, I'm serious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just messed up that one, the phone call.
How do you mess up?
Gotta make it look better.
Wait.
Okay, I finished.
Don't show them yet, you gotta color
Yeah,
it.
color it.
Oh, I need the black marker. I didn't do the tail.
Give me that.
Did you lose the color?
Yeah.
Did it hurt? I threw it at you?
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven, Kayla? Because your face is pretty fucked up.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. We all are making our elephants like a light blue color. My water starts blue. Oh, I want a pink elephant.
That sucks.
Damn it. Make it multicolored. No. Multicolored solution.
Mine's gonna be multicolored.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna draw him in like accessories because an elephant can't live.
Yeah, they have earrings. I mean, like nose rings.
They need good accessories though.
Yeah.
My elephant has the best hat.
This is my elephant so far.
Wait,
you drew the hat?
That's my elephant. He's really cute, I know. So,
here's Dumbo.
Dumbo is fat and ugly. Mine's not done, but you know.
His name's Baby Beluga.
I know what else I should draw. We should just do Dumbo.
Justin Bieber.
And we suck at drawing, by the way.
Yeah.
And it actually turned out good. So we also drew unicorns last night. Oh, here's mine.
Where's mine?
Where's
Hannah?
Rainbow? Hannah's over there.
Where's Hannah?
So here's our unicorn. That's Jojo. And look, my elephant. They're cute.
This is Hannah. She's pretty soft. And this is Dumbo.
Dumbo
pretty much.
You can do that little ear thing.
Wait, wrong way.
Do this thing too. He's fucked. He got the hole in his ear. I should
That's
make the
supposed to be there.
color. I should make the horns white.
Yeah, you should have.
Mine
Should I give him eyelashes? I'm gonna give him eyelashes. What, you need eyelashes?
You can draw the eyebrow.
Use an eyebrow?
Yeah, look. That's why
Eyebrow.
yours is so soft. There's no eyebrow.
He's got no eyebrow.
I'm gonna try his eyelash. So it's a curl a little bit.
Yeah.
Eyelash.
That goes to 4.
Why do you think it go all the way around?
Come on.
Now it has eyelashes. Lovely, right?
It's so cute.
I need to think of a name for mine. Maybe we'll do that.
No!
It's cute. You don't need to ruin it.
Yeah, but it's a girl. This one's like a he-she.
He has a boob and a dick.
Can I get some boys?
Trying a third ball.
And you switch up the wife. He's like, you know what, your father stuff. It feels like you have 3. He was like, his pants are what a babe. She's so cute. I just want to fuck it so bad.
I do. Actually, I need to make a video on mine.
No, you need to make a video on my account. I made 1 video.
I have
what?
that's 18.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, that's it. 18. Suck it. And they're amazing videos too. This video has been 7 minutes long, so we're gonna start part 5 later.
Oh my god, we're now on part 5.